Hi guys, my name is Nikolai and I'm Chief Business Development Officer here at RigER. Today we're officially rolling out the latest release of RigER 11.5 that we dubbed San Angelo.
Our latest edition is the operations management dashboards, which give us an ability to track all the shop operations right in the workstations, right in the yards, right in the warehouses, give you next day results right from RigER to this powerful tool.
One of the enhancements that we have is for RigER University, which is one access point to all the content like webinars, e-learning, knowledge base, you can see videos. What we added is two dashboards, which is the support ticket dashboard and customization dashboard. And customization dashboard allows users to be active participant in the customization process, and with support ticket dashboard, get better communication between the RigER team and the client. It actually means just more efficiency and transparency.
At RigER, we don't only focus on the core of operations, sales, and invoicing functions. New modules will be released in RigER 11.5, and it's the Health, Safety, and Environment module, simply known as HSE. Obviously, if you work in a high-risk commercial environment, it's important for you to keep well-being of your employees and customers at the top priority.
That is only a handful of things that I wanted to mention in this quick video. However, please do check out our website at rigor.us where you can see and learn more and schedule the conversation with us so that we can explain and show you how RigER runs and can help you in your daily business operations. Thank you.